It's been a wonderful time to be a program of liberal studies major. We literally do study everything, whether it's philosophy, theology, history, literature, classics, politics, whatever it might be, whatever discipline in the humanities it is. PLS has students that do everything. Furthermore, I would say PLS is a very good program for developing one's writing skills. It's very helpful for when one moves into a career that requires one to write a lot, for example, journalism, law, etc. But it's also very good for somebody who moves into a more technical field. I studied what it means to be a rhetorical thinker, what it means to think through important historical and political questions through the lens of how to communicate those questions effectively. What I would say to my younger self is that not only will you change when you're in college to your benefit, but also there are many different ways to get that job. There are many different ways to start that project and work on that initiative, whether it's become a doctor or go to law school or become an accountant or become an investment banker, consultant, etc. PLS has former students out in the world doing cool things in any field that one can imagine.